Christmas is the season of love, harmony, and celebration. People light their homes with candles, decorations, and Christmas trees. During the celebration, we will share, offer the less fortunate, spend time with loved ones, and have a good view of life. 5 days from the Christmas day, I will see myself in celebrating Christmas with children of less fortunate, and I believe that will be my Christmas gift.
Hi guys, what's up? My Christmas wish for this year is for Corona to go away so we can all party hard.
Hey everyone, so Christmas is actually the time of giving, spreading love and joy. So this Christmas I wish each and every one of you peace, joy and also Merry Christmas and also not forgetting a Happy New Year.
The Christmas miracles that I'm wishing for are firstly for the pandemic situation to ease out both globally and locally, as many people have suffered from it, and secondly for anyone who's lost a loved one this year, who's gone through a heartbreak, who has faced any sort of negativity in any way, to get the message that you're loved, you're important, and best things will definitely keep coming our way, just like Christmas.
My first wish for this Christmas is to make sure that people use less polythene or plastic to protect the marine animals, and also my special wish is to find a freaking holiday for this Christmas.
My Christmas wish this year is for everyone to go back to our normal lifestyles soon.
Christmas is a season like no other. It's a season for giving, and it's a very special season. When it comes to my family, we start putting up our Christmas trees by the end of November. We are just that crazy about Christmas. So yeah, this year Christmas will be quite different from all the other years when we celebrated Christmas, because we might have to do it indoors. So that doesn't mean it'll be a dull Christmas. You still can do all those things. You still can have that Christmas dinner with your family at home where you're safe, and you still can enjoy Christmas. So all I want to say is stay safe during this season, enjoy your Christmas at home, and Merry Christmas to everyone.
Christmas is one of the most joyous and magical time of the year, and this year my Christmas wish is for everybody to spread love and kindness. So maybe if you can say something nice about your friends, or send them a message saying how wonderful they are, or maybe comment on someone's post, maybe a stranger, saying something nice to them, and spread love and kindness in these difficult times. I think everybody deserves a little love.
So for Christmas this year, my main wish is not something only relating to me, but for the whole world. That is, the well-being of the whole world as one, that we can all rise. Thank you.
Christmas is one of the most magical times of the year, and my wish this Christmas is to help prevent animal cruelty by providing at least 5 innocent pups with a beautiful, kind and loving home that will accept them, because they too deserve to feel cared for and loved just as much as we do.
My Christmas wish this year will be that 2021 will be the rainbow at the end of the storm that everybody has been waiting for through this excruciating year.
I wish peace, I wish happiness, a healthy life for all of you this Christmas, and that will be my Christmas wish for this year.
Hi, my Christmas wish for this year is for everyone to be accepted and valued for who they are, despite their gender, race or religion. And I hope that all of you will be treated with equality, because we are simply human and we all deserve love and respect. And I hope that your voice will be heard and that you will always feel belonged. And I wish that all of you find happiness and success in your own way. Have a blessed and Merry Christmas.
Hi there. It's the season of joy, and my Christmas wish to everyone is to make all underprivileged kids have more privileges in life, and may they all have a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody.
My wish for Christmas is for the world to wake up to a day without the coronavirus.
Hey guys, so Christmas is just around the corner, and I just want to come and share something with you all real quick, something that I wish every Christmas had, and that's love. What better way can you show a person that they're cared for and that they're valuable to you other than love? Christmas is the season of love and giving. What I wish for this Christmas and every Christmas henceforth is that we as road tractors, as one big road track family, will be able to spread the message of love all around the world. This is my Christmas wish. Take care, everyone. May God bless you, stay safe, and a very Merry Christmas to all of you.
Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you're all doing well. And my Christmas miracle to you all would be that you're going to give your loved ones a big hug. Whether it's your mom, your dad, your brother, sisters, your grandma, or whomever, even your pets. Just go and give them a big hug because that goes a really long way. And these days, most people tend to forget it because they're so busy doing other things. But quarantine, I feel like quarantine days are the best because you're all together, all, locked at home. But that's like one of the best times to actually, give love to people and, get closer with them. So, anyways, stay safe and stay happy, guys.